Hello everyone, welcome back to the Laws of Brian Fagan's YouTube channel. I'm Brian Fagan, and today we're diving deep into the critical aspect of divorce proceedings in Texas, preparing your divorce case for mediation. Mediation is often the turning point in a divorce case where you and your spouse, with the help of a neutral mediator, work together to reach agreements on issues such as property division, child custody, and more. Today we'll explore 5 crucial steps to ensuring you're well prepared for mediation, and we'll illustrate these steps with real-life scenarios. Let's begin with a scenario. Meet Amy and Jason, a couple going through a divorce with one of their main disagreements revolving around property division. They schedule a mediation, soon aiming to find equitable solutions. The first step Amy and Jason should take is to gather all the financial documents. This includes, but is not limited to, bank statements, tax returns, mortgage documents, and any other relevant financial record. Doing so will provide clarity during mediation and facilitate fair distribution of assets. Next, it's vital to identify and prioritize goals. Amy may have a strong attachment to the family home, while Jason may be inclined towards the equal division of assets. Knowing your priorities allows you to negotiate effectively during mediation, increasing the chances of reaching a mutual, satisfactory agreement. Now let's switch gears to another scenario. Meet Lisa and Michael, parents who are divorcing and have 2 young children. They are heading to mediation to determine child custody arrangements. When dealing with child custody issues, it's imperative to create a comprehensive parenting plan before entering mediation. This plan should outline visitation schedules, holiday arrangements, and how major decisions affecting the child's well-being will be made. A well thought out plan serves as a solid foundation for productive discussions during mediation. During mediation, keep in mind that compromise is often the key to success. Understand that you may not achieve all your desired outcomes, but arriving at a mutually acceptable agreement is usually in everyone's best interest, particularly when children are involved. In cases like Lisa and Michael's, where child custody is the forefront of their divorce, the willingness to compromise becomes even more paramount. Here's why. The primary focus of children in custody matters should always be the well-being and best interest of the children. A cooperative approach and willingness to find common ground can lead to arrangements that are more emotionally and psychologically beneficial for the children. Divorce can be an emotionally charged process. Prolonged disputes and courtroom battles can exacerbate tension and negatively impact the children. By embracing compromise, parents can significantly reduce the conflict, creating a more stable and harmonious environment for their children. Life is unpredictable, and circumstances may change over time. A rigid approach to child custody can become impractical. Compromise reached in mediation often allows for flexibility, enabling parents to adapt to changing situations while adhering to core principles established in their agreement. Remember, children benefit from maintaining meaningful relationships with both parents whenever possible. A cooperative, compromise-oriented approach to custody arrangements fosters an environment where both parents can remain active and involved in their children's lives. Child custody agreements can also have financial implications, such as child support. Compromises made during mediation can strike a balance between financial responsibilities and practical needs for both parents and children. Mediation is generally a faster and more cost-effective way to resolve child custody disputes compared to prolonged litigation. By being open to compromise, parents can expedite the process and reduce legal costs. Keep in mind that during mediation, a skilled mediator will guide the conversation and facilitate negotiations. They can help you and your spouse come to common ground even when it seems challenging. This impartial third party can provide valuable insights and alternative solutions to disputes, making it easier for both parties to compromise. Lastly, never underestimate the value of consulting with an experienced family law attorney. They can provide you with legal guidance and support necessary throughout the mediation process, ensuring that your rights and interests are fully protected. In conclusion, proper preparation for mediation is pivotal to achieving a successful outcome in your Texas divorce case, whether it's property division, child custody, or other matters. These 5 steps can significantly impact the course of your negotiations. If you found this information valuable, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe on our channel for updates in legal matters. If you're facing a divorce in Texas and need expert legal advice, remember the Law Office of Brian Fagan is here to support you. Feel free to reach out to us for guidance through the process. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. The Law Office of Brian Fagan is here to support you through the complexities of your family law matter. If you have questions or need legal assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us for a free 30-minute consultation. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope it was both helpful and informative for you. At the Law Office of Brian Fagan, we are here for you. So please let us know how we can help you with your family law, estate planning, or criminal defense matters by calling our office today at 281-310-5563 to schedule your complimentary consultation. You can find all of our social media info in the description below, and if you would like to stay updated on all of our videos, events, and promotions, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the notification bell.